Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me. I have some stuff I want to share with you guys. It's been a while since I've uploaded and posted, so I'm just gonna get started. I'm using the Wet n Wild Rose primer water. I'm just gonna roll that in. Yeah, so I've been doing a lot lately that you guys don't know about. For starters, if you guys don't know, I actually have a makeup business where I actually make my own lipsticks from scratch and all that. I'm gonna use a Anastasia foundation sticks. You guys have seen me use this before. This is walnut and almond. Anyway, so I made my own lipsticks from scratch. If you see my last live video, I used one of the lipsticks in that live. But I decided I wanted to try to do eyeshadow. So, well, letting you guys know, I started making eyeshadow. I'm still like in the testing phase, so I could get the perfect formula for what I want. Later in this video, I am going to be using some of the eyeshadows I made by myself. Enough. I usually have to use my foundation brush when I do stick foundation, but I can't find my brush. But anyway, so yeah, I decided to start making eyeshadows because I like creating makeup in general. I need this to be more wet, but it's fine. I'm going to take the Juvia's Place palette. I'm just use this for the transition color. So I think I'm gonna go in with, what color eyeshadow do I want to use? Bronze or gold? I think I'm gonna go in with bronze. I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Burkina. I don't know. It's this color right here. I'm just gonna put it on my outer corner. On my outer corner, and in my inner corner. I think I'm gonna go with the bronze color today. Just blending it, and I'm gonna blend it above a little bit. I'm leaving the center right here open because that's where I'm gonna place the shade I made. I hope you guys are ready for this. Again, I made these from scratch by myself, which means I ordered the pigments, like I did everything. Like I mixed the pigments, the mica together by myself, professional mica, vegan, cruelty free, and this is the first one. It's a bronze. It wants a blur. There is the bronze. It looks crazy because my video camera wants to. I'm just gonna very gently. That's how it looks. I'm just gonna look at that, you guys. Tell me that's not gorgeous. Tell me it's not gorgeous. I'll swatch another one. And see, all the pigment like mostly comes off my hand. Like, look at that. That's just with one swatch. This is the gold. It looks similar, but you can tell this is way more like yellow gold. I'm just gonna gently swipe my finger. Look at that. I'll do this right next to the bronze. See? Oh, that's pretty. One swipe. Look at that coverage. And this one is actually a mixture of the bronze and gold. This is bronze and gold mixed together. I'm trying to get it to focus. It doesn't want to. There we go. Bronze and gold. So one swipe. I'm barely touching it. So that's the bronze and gold. It doesn't look similar to the gold, but this is two colors mixed together. You could tell. It looks deeper. So that's the mixture. So that's a bronze, the pure gold. And this is the mixture of the bronze and gold. And I made these by myself. Like completely by myself. I also have a few other colors. These ones are more sheer metallic, and this is like a rose gold, barely touching it. It's more of a sheer rose gold. put it right here. See how it shears out? Yes, it's like a rose gold sheer. See, so pretty, right? And then another one. This is the yellow I made. This is a sheer yellow. I wanted it to be sheer. And I'm just gonna put this down here. Look how pretty. So it's just like a glisten of like metallic, but it shears out really well. Look how pretty that is. And then my last but not least, this is like a silver blue. It actually has, oh no, I dropped it, guys. This one actually has like a pink and blue mixed together, so it's not like, and it was like a silver blue. And then, come on, focus camera. There it is. So stunning. Super stunning. So those are the eyeshadows I made so far. I actually did make another one, but I say it's a fail. This right here. This one will stain your freaking light. It's like a dark navy blue, but it will stain you because I used pure, not mica, it's pure pigment. So, and it swatches horribly. Let me do it right here. But it stains. See, it's like a dark navy blue. The swatching, the color payoff is horrible. And look, my fingers firmly swatched. So that one's going in the trash. Alright, so I'm going to use the bronze today. Okay, so let's go with bronze. And the best way to use these shadows is either with a compact, dense brush, a flat brush, or your finger. Today, I'm going to use my finger. See, my finger is stained. There's no more product on it, but it's stained. So I'm gonna dry that one in the trash. So I'm gonna go into bronze. I'm just gonna, whoo, whoo. Look at that. Tell me that's not gorgeous. And these are buildable. Look at that. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. And there's like little to no fallout. If there is fallout, it's like literally a tiny bit, not really. Oh, so pretty. You can use a primer in your eye. I didn't today. You guys seen I did not put on a primer. Oh, I used a primer water, but not like a eye primer. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna take this tape off. Oh. Lord. This side. I like the way it feels. Ooh. Baby Jesus. Okay, now that that tape is off, look how pretty that is. I'm gonna go back in with that brush. I went the first time with that brown. I'm just gonna blend it out, the color some. Tell me that's not gorgeous. And I created these. I'm so proud. I don't have names for them yet. So if you can think of a name, just leave it down in the comments. Again, those are the swatches. I love that rose gold. With the gold and the bronze and the hybrid I made. Pop in. Alright, so today I'm actually going to be using a new eyeliner. The company actually sent me this eyeliner. It's not sponsored though. I'm not getting paid to like show you guys. They just were like, oh, do you want to try out this eyeliner? And they gave me a promo code for it. So it's the Immovable Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil by Adora. Adora, I think that's how you say it. By Adora. So there will be a promo code down below in the description box. I've already tried it because I love it. I actually love this pencil. So it's very thin, which is perfect. You get sharp looks. You get a lot of looks with this. Different kind of eyeliner looks with this. I'm getting like glitter. I didn't wipe off my hands. But so I'm just gonna demo it. It's super black and goes on so easy. Okay. Literally one swipe. jet black. Look at that. Super black. One swipe. So easy. You can do a wing. It comes with a built-in sharpener. I'll show you guys in a second. So this little back piece right here is a sharpener. See? It comes with a sharpener right there. Built in the back. So if your pencil's dull, like mine's kinda is, you just put it in. Let me put up more. Put it in and you just sharpen it. And it sharpens right up. I might try to do a little wing. I kind of don't want to do a wing, but let's see. I should have left the tape. I like to pull my eye. That's a good wing. And I'll do the other side. Pull my eye up. That's a good wing. So that's the eyeliner. Like I said, there will be a promo code in the description box if you guys definitely want to check that out. You definitely should, because you get a discount on this eyeliner. And like I said, you can see it's a really good eyeliner. Really good. Now I'm gonna do blush. Also, I think I might come out with blush, but I'm not sure yet. I want to know how the eyeshadow goes. But like I said, if you guys like the eyeshadows, let me know in the comments, because then I'll get started on making more, you know. I have like dark circle under my eyes. Let's see. Make a brush. Let's make a sponge. There we go. Let's put on the lip. What color are we doing? We're gonna do Cream 69 by Urban Decay. I'm so excited. To be coming out with eyeshadow. Alright, so this is the look. I would put a highlighter and all that, but I really don't feel like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe down below. If you guys like these eyeshadows, please let me know. Please let me know down in the comments, because I will sell them for probably like $3 each, and they will be only sold in like singlet shadows. So what I mean is, like, you'll just get one shadow for like $3 or $3.50. I'm not sure yet, because I use high quality products. So you get one pan, and these pans are magnetic. Magnetic? Did I say magnetic? I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Magnetic. Pretty much it'll stick magnetically. I don't know. So you can put it in like your own little magnetic palette. And yeah, and they'll be like, of course, packaged singles. Alright. I love you guys. Bye.